Hello guys, here one on my garage showing you how to put the side grill intakes on my Corvette C8. As you see there, first we have to prep the side of the intake by applying a damp cloth with alcohol wipes. There we put the clips on the main bracket and the L bracket, and you're gonna have to get a T15 screw with the extender to reach there and remove safely that T15 screw without letting the screw down. So a magnetic one will be good. That one is the one that I'm using. It has a good reach, as you can see there. And also get a handy light so you can see as you're working on putting your brackets there together, along with the adhesive double tape on the grill protector for your Corvette. So next, you're gonna put the main bracket along with that screw as it goes down in there, and you're gonna be facing towards you. And on the other side, you're gonna put almost as it bends, actually a little bit lower, as you see on this side, and you put it there. You apply 30 seconds and hold on double side tape, and then you put the screws in and the tape on both sides, and then you wait and you let it sit there. And there you go, guys. Really easy to put there. Thank you. Bye.